Tell me what I've been.
Yo, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make that slice effect you guys saw in the intro. So what you guys want to do first, go to File, Project Settings. Make sure this is 60 FPS, 1080p, 60. Put your song into this timeline and mark it with this tool right here. Lock the audio, put your clip in. And if you guys have stretch res, just change scaling and retiming scaling to stretch. And then you want to drag the clip to the right until you see the siphon hit with the fill. So that's right here. Bring it to the blue marker and extend it out to the end. Then just trim it to where you want the clip to end. Right click, unlink the clips, and open up retime controls. Add a speed point on the beat drop. Add a speed point where you pull out your shotgun, so about here. Add a speed point in between those. Add a speed point in between the third speed point and the end of the clip. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it. Change this one to 50, change this to 200, and then change this one to 50. Grab the speed point at the bottom, like this here, so it doesn't get messed up, and just make sure the third speed point is aligned with the beat drop. You can adjust it to wherever you like, so I think this is good enough, and just move this one to the left so it isn't slow down for a long period of time. So next, what you're gonna do is wanna press Control B to split it on the beat drop, and then Control B on this speed point. Select this clip, hold Alt, and drag up. I'm just gonna close the retime controls for this. So disable the bottom clip by pressing D. Open up Fusion for the top clip. Add a rectangle here and connect it to media in 1. Make the width 1, make the angle about, that's good. Make the height a little bigger. Then add a keyframe on the angle and the height on the first frame. Open up retime controls for this, and then you want to go on the speed point where it starts to go fast. So this one. Then go back to Fusion, add a speed point here, then just make the angle a little more. Then make the height around here. And you want to go in between the speed point and the end of the clip. Add a speed point here, maybe change the height a little bigger. Then at the end, last frame, you wanna keyframe the height and move this so it reaches the corners. That's pretty much it for the rectangle. Okay, that looks good. Now we're gonna add drop shadow. You guys need Sapphire for this. I'll have a link in the description for it. Control space S_drop shadow. Add this. Change the Shift X and Y to 0. Then you can just play around with the shadow burn, the opacity. Just mess around with it until you find something you like. So I think this is good. Undisable this by pressing D, and then disable the top clip. I'm gonna go into Fusion for the bottom one. Control space, then add a blur. Add a keyframe on the first frame, change it to maybe like 7 or 8. Then go like halfway through, then make it like 15, around like this, 12, 15. Then that's pretty much it for the rectangle effect. So now we're gonna add a camera shake, so search up camera shake and open effects. Drag it in, go into the first frame of the last clip. Copy these settings right here, change this to 800. This to 200, leave everything else the same. Put this reflect and then zoom to crop 0. Add a keyframe on the first frame and then go to the end. Then just put it all the way down. And then I'm just gonna trim the rest of the song. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.